This is a segment called I Me Myself, which is about you as a person. Avinesh, so who's that one person you would turn to if you desperately needed help?
There are a lot of people. I would say the most important person in a person's life is mom, mother. So I would always, whenever I have any problem, any difficulty, I always go to her. She's the best person, and I get the best advice from her.
So what do you value the most in life?
Hard work. Hard work pays a lot.
What is that one thing you consider yourself good at?
Me? Honesty. I'm a very honest person. I don't lie to people. I don't betray people. And I don't have any harsh feelings toward people so easily.
What is that one thing people do not know about you?
There are a lot of things people don't know about me.
Okay, like for example?
Like I'm married, people don't know it.
Okay.
So, I'm not a very stern kind of person in real life as far as my characters are concerned. They are like totally like that. But I am a totally fun-loving person in reality.
Okay. What is the first thing you bought with your own money?
Oh, that was very long time back, I didn't earn much also. I was like $250 a day I got. And what did I buy? I gave that to my mother actually. I didn't buy anything for it.
If you weren't in the profession you are, what other profession would you have been in?
I'm an IT, passed out, and I did my graduation, post-graduation in Master's Computers Programming. Obviously, I would have been an IT consultant or something like that. I don't know. There are a lot of fields, you can go from there.
Okay. One friend whom you've lost in touch with and would like to locate?
So I'm in touch with all my friends, all my school friends, or be it my college friends. I'm in touch with all of them, thanks to all these social networking sites.
Okay, so how net savvy are you?
I'm very net savvy, my favorite site is Wikipedia, I'm always on there. And thanks to Google, when it came and helped me, and I became a fan of it and started only Google search all the time.
Are you good at remembering dates?
Dates? Yeah, I'm good at remembering numbers actually. Dates also, probably. No, I wasn't good in history so much. Yes.
History?
Yeah.
Who do you consider as your mentor?
My mentor? My uncle, my mother's brother, my Mamaji. He's my mentor, because I've learned everything since childhood. I've been seeing him. He's so established. He's very hardworking, and he always has his plans and everything, goals set towards something. So I came to know all these things. How to set a goal, how to set a aim in life, how to be very ambitious in life. So all from him. So he's my mentor.
Do you think you've changed as a person after becoming an actor?
It's been quite very well. It's been just 2 years now since I've started properly working into acting. So no, I don't think so. I don't think so. A person can be changed. Obviously, by doing so many characters so repetitively, every day, you tend to gain a little bit of that character into you, because every day you're performing the same thing, same character, same kind of emotions. So then it gets a little bit, but I think in a span of time, with that gap, you come to the same person which you are in real life. So that's how it is.
Do you read the newspaper?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So which is that segment that interests you the most?
It depends, it's not very specific to me if I say like, okay, yeah, only if I read Times of India, so only Bombay Times, because obviously I have to read Bombay Times and Entertainment Channel, because that's my work, that's my profession, and I should be very updated for this. And apart from that, like all the other, if there's some interesting news is there, so obviously I read that also.
Okay. So, name, what's the one thing you miss about being a kid?
Freedom, freedom of everything. Everything. Everything to be very specific. Everything. Which is not now, You have so many boundaries, you have to, because once you get mature, you have all these boundaries and limitations into you.
The do's and the don'ts. Right.
Yeah. The don'ts probably.
Do you analyze your past actions, Avinesh?
Of course I do. I think about all the, phases of life, the past, present and the future also. One should be, one should keep everything in mind while living, I'm sure. So because your past is also related to your present and the future. So it's like that.
What do you want to be remembered for?
For good human being, obviously.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the...
Okay, coming to Sultan's character, what do you enjoy the most about playing Sultan?
The most? I'm not playing that anymore, the negative part. So, obviously not the grey shade of Sultan. Sultan wasn't grey anytime. But the strength, the strong, that when Sultan wasn't revealed properly that okay, he's falling in love with somebody or he's being attached to somebody else. So only the gangster part, I love that because that's very challenging for me to do such sternness and that bold character. So I love that.
Okay, and which has been your favorite scene so far that you've shot?
My favorite scene? We haven't shot that.
Okay. Or is there something that you're looking forward to doing? What kind of roles interest you?
All, I would like to do a comedy role, because that's totally different from what I've been doing till now. I've performed only stern characters. So, doing comedy, because that's I think making people laugh is the most difficult thing to do. And if I can do that, and if I can, come up to and cope up to the same thing of making people laugh, I'll be very glad, and that will be the most challenging part.
Thank you so much. It was great talking to you.
Thank you so much.
Because clearly we've always formed an impression from what we've seen you on screen, but you are very, very different from what we had seen you, and I'm sure the audience also will know that now. We wish you all the best, and thank you so much.